Morning everyone, I hope everybody is doing fine. So last we had completed till circles, it was over. So now we have to move on to parabola, the second exercise. Okay, so basically types of parabola. First topic is types of parabola. But before this, I'd like to tell you the definition of what is a parabola. So parabola is a figure obtained by collecting all the points which has a fixed distance from a fixed point and a fixed line. Okay, this is a fixed line and this is a fixed point. This distance, let this be f, let this be p, let this be a. Pf, pa will always be equals to pf. When we collect all of these points, then we figure obtain, supposing this and this distance will always be equal. Let this be p dash and a dash. This pf and p dash a dash will always be equal, and in such a case this is a figure obtained. This figure will be called as a parabola. Okay, and this fixed line is called directrix, and fixed point is called to be as focus. Okay, and the length from the vertex, this is called the vertex. Okay, the length from the vertex is called to the focus is called the focal length. Okay, please copy these down, and after you have done this, next thing you have to copy the four types of parabola. Types of parabola, this is the first type, which is called the upward parabola. This is the second type, called the downward parabola. This is the third type, right side parabola, and this is the left hand side parabola. Okay, so you know this is the focus. Focus will be out here, vertex, focus, vertex, vertex, focus, focus, and vertex. So this type of parabola has different equations. So equation is given by x square is equals to 4ay. This is x square is equals to minus 4ay. This is y square is equals to 4ax. This is y square is equals to minus 4ax. Okay, these are the four types of parabola and four types of equation. Okay, so out here the vertex coordinate is 0 comma 0. Okay, the focus is 0 comma a. Okay, this coordinate is 0 comma a, this is 0 comma minus a, this is a comma 0, and this is minus a comma 0. Okay, focus, the vertex is 0 comma 0, and this line is called the latest rectum. Okay, this is called the latest rectum, the line joining the end sides of the parabola and the passing through the focus. Okay, latest rectum's length is equals to 4a always. Okay, irrespective of which type of parabola it is. And the directrix equation is given by, this is the equation which is as far as this is also a, so this equation will be y equals to a. Okay, same will follow out here. Focus I have written out here, vertex is written, length will be same, and equation of directrix will be out here, y equals to a, sorry, this is y equals to minus a. Okay, out here if focus has been written, vertex is there, latest rectum length will remain same, directrix will be out here. Okay, this will be x is equals to minus a, and this will be x is equals to a. This is the length of, this is the equation of directrix, which is given by x is equals to minus a and x is equals to a for this case. Kindly pause the video to note it down. Once we do in 3-4 numericals, this will get more eased out. Okay, after copying this, we have to move on to the exercise 11.2. Okay, the first numerical tells us that we have to find the focus axis equation of directrix and length of latest rectum for this equation 12x. Okay, so now this equation can be written as y square is equals to 4 into 3 into x. Clear? Name this equation 1 and then write y square is equals to 4ax. Name this equation 2. Comparing 1 and 2 we get a is equals to 3. Therefore focus is given by focus. This is which type of parabola? This type. So focus is given by a comma 0, which is 3 comma 0. Okay, this is 3 comma 0, and then length of latest rectum's length will be 4a, which is equals to 12. Then equation of directrix is equals to x is equals to minus 3, and axis will be, it's in which axis? This is this type of parabola, it's on x axis. Okay, so that's it for this numerical. Okay, now moving on to question number 2 will be done by you. I'm doing question number 4 directly. Okay, question number 4 is given by x square is equals to minus 16y. So again you have to write this equation 1. Equation 2 will be given as 4 into 4 into y. This is equation 1, and then x square is equals to minus 4ay. Okay, this is which type of parabola? Downward parabola. Let this be equation 2. Comparing this and this, we get value of a is equals to 4, and focus out here is given by 0 comma minus a. Therefore your focus is equals to 0 comma minus 4. Okay, length of latest rectum stays the same, 4 into 4, 16 units. Equation of directrix is given by x is equals to 4. Okay, x is equals to a. All have been given to you before. And last equation is equation of directrix. Yep. And which axis? This is which axis? This type of parabola downward, so it's in y axis. Okay, so please copy all of these down and let me know if you have understood all of this or not. Okay, your homework will be given to you as I'll give you till question number 8. Till question number 7 will be given as a homework. All the numericals are same. Okay, just use your brain till question number 7 and let me know if you face any doubts, and if you have any difficulty doing this numerical, just let me know in WhatsApp or in Google Classroom. I'll definitely try and solve it out. Okay, so that's it for today's class. Thank you. Bye bye. Have a nice day.